Hi everyone, welcome back to Oma Rocks. As you can see, I am with the nature. No eyebrows, no lipstick, no makeup, just plain moisturizer to protect my skin. Yeah, I'm sitting here in the middle of our forest. It is a combination of forest and a mini farm. We call it a kinderboerderij. And so for today's goal, under normal circumstances, I would try to achieve 10,000 steps. And well, I am now currently, wait, hold on a second, let me just check. If I'm not mistaken. Oops. Yes, there it is. Oh, can you still see? It's 5112. So that means I'm halfway. So I'm heading back home after this small chat. So that means I can easily achieve my 10,000 steps goal for today. And you know, while I was walking in the forest, I saw several wildflowers and trees, and I have noticed that some of them have been pruned and not growing their leaves yet. And some of them have already have their leaves back, all fresh and green, and it's so beautiful. I'm going to share with you later what I saw, which made me reflect, by the way, that yeah, in life, that is what's happening in life as well. Sometimes we have to be pruned, or sometimes our leaves or branches have to be taken down for us to regrow. That's a bit profound. It's a little bit serious talk, right? But it's true, right? So sometimes we encounter problems, difficulties, trials, and we feel hurt. But at the end of the day, we get to forget them, and we just come up stronger after those trials. And so we are just like trees. We are like plants. We are living organisms. So just like them, every now and then we need to be pruned for us to grow stronger, nicer and nicer. So that's my short reflection and sharing for today. So I won't be adding lots of music on this vlog because I want you to hear the sound of nature. For those of you who are living in the city and you miss the cook sometimes or the tweet, you will find them here on this vlog. God bless you all. Take care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to be part of this Club Positive by Oma Rocks. Thanks guys for watching. Love you all.